Hariom Tatsat. I know this angel cards are like your favorite thing to get a reading. Now, choose the card according to your intuition. Now, I'm gonna just suddenly I have a calling to put it as pick a card, okay? So you'll choose between both look similar. One has a yellow outline, one has a pink outline. That's it. That's the only difference, right? So I want you to pick via intuition because you know intuition can never go wrong. And you can also test yourself how intuitive you are. Now, which one you got more drawn to, that's going to tell you your next 30 days what major shifts with respect to money, love, career, or personal power, what's coming. And the moment this major shift happens, how your current situation is completely going to change. That's what we are going to find out, okay? We'll be quick. Now, whoever chose this yellow card, the first card here, look at it. You're ready, it says. How beautiful, how nice. The first thing it's saying is you're ready. So what's happening here? In the next 30 days, what all is going to come in your future? Next 30 days. And it's also almost like a timeless reading. So whatever date you choose this, your next 30 days it's going to show, right? So that's something like a bonus. Okay, I'm seeing the word forgiveness here. What is it having? What are your current energies here today? I'm going to tell you so many things, okay? One, I'm going to tell you what are the current energies telling you, angel energies. Next, I'm also going to tell what could be one of the hidden challenge that you need to face and what's the unexpected event that will happen, one advice to come out of it and the exact timing. I'm going to cover all of it, so I think you have to stay tuned to not miss out on anything. Now, one thing that I'm seeing here is you're ready. So the current energy is the reason you've clicked this video itself is like you're ready. And the first card itself was yellow. It's like Guru related blessings. A yellow color is representing Guru planet, active planet. So Guru Bala is going to start. So I see that your current energy indicates you're ready to receive the blessings. Right? The next 30 days, you are in receiving mode. That's how your energy is. And the hidden challenge is only one, and it's not hidden anymore. It's your forgiveness. How you are able to forgive situations around you and yourself. You have been very harsh on your energies and yourself. So it's almost seeming like that's your challenge here. And you have felt frustrated. That is also one of the challenge. You feel the situation is not going to improve or people around you are going to make it worse. And I think that is something you need to stop doing. One thing that you need to stop doing is the hidden challenge here is no more hidden. You have the light here. All you have to do is navigate through these negativities of your mind. You feel the situation will not improve. The angels are telling the situation is definitely going to improve. You might have tried so many manifestation things, remedies, affirmations, nothing's working. So you might be in the most, negative mode sometimes. Everything's going good 4 days. The 5th day, something smallest of the hurt happens. You're like, okay, my whole world is coming crashing. That's how you feel. And that is the challenge. You're in your own energy to be here, ready. You have to get rid of these challenges. And there is something which is going to happen in your life which is almost unexpected. I'm not going to show you the unexpected change. Okay, I'm just kidding. Big happy changes are coming. Look at it. No matter what your situation now, what your situation is now, I think big unexpected happy changes are coming. You wouldn't have imagined that something like this is happening. So within the next 30 days, for sure, I believe 100%, something that you never thought even in your dreams that it would happen, that is going to happen as a confirmation or proof that universe is always listening. And my one advice is get rid of your negative thoughts and negative things. Will it work? That innocent question that you ask when you see those remedies and rituals and manifestation things, when that one innocent question, will it work? Will it work, ma'am? Will it work, sir? How? If you can just stop the reasoning and logical mind and put your complete effort towards believing with your subconscious and conscious mind that yes, I'm going to receive big happy changes. I want you to affirm this. I want you to comment big happy changes I have just received, or I receive big happy changes. This is what you're going to comment. and you will receive it within 30 days. Don't worry about how. It's not your job to worry how. Universe will take care of it. I'm not saying believe it blindly. I'm telling you, believe with compassion. Believe with compassion towards yourself. See, what is the harm in believing that it is going to happen? Something good is going to happen. What's the harm in believing that? We should think twice if we are thinking negative for someone, right? If we are thinking something positive for our own good or our own selves or someone else, why is it so difficult to think 100% positive? What's so negative about it? There's no toxic positivity in the world of manifestation. It's just about how you take actions. Like continuously seeing big happy changes I'm receiving and with a very straight rude face, that's not going to work. You need to feel it internally while as you type. Okay, so that's the advice from the card side, the angel side. Let's see if there is any exact timeline of this happy thing that we can see. Oh my god, I can't even believe it told the exact timing. Within the next few weeks, you will receive it. Like I just told you, within 30 days, you will receive this biggest unexpected wish fulfillment is happening. And there's another shocking return of something. Yes? So something is returning towards you, and that is unexpected. You wouldn't have ever imagined something like that coming towards you. You know what's coming? I can see through the cards. There is a financial opportunity that you have never expected before is coming towards you. And a message or communication from somebody. Like today you do this experiment, try this experiment. Someone you want an unexpected communication with. Within the next 48 hours, they should text you. Just open their photo, visualize their face if you don't have the photo, and exact message what they will send you at what time. Visualize this and affirm that I am receiving this message from this person. I'm sending telepathic message. Do you know humans, we did have a lot of telepathic skills with us. What we have just lost during this survival mode, fight or flight mode, abuses that we all go through from childhood till now, adulthood, life happens. So these skills have become redundant to a lot of us because everything is available through internet. We don't have to do anything. Telepathy is a real skill. And how does it happen? How many times you would have seen, you think about someone, they call you. How does that happen? Humans had the skill of telepathy or telepathic communication. You can communicate to any soul, anywhere in the world. If you know their name and how they look, you can send them messages. You can send energies or souls messages. Even if you don't know their name, number, nothing you know about them. If it's a baby you want to manifest, you can telepathically communicate to the energy of that baby and you can manifest it. Do you know that? So I'm seeing such huge blessings towards you. You can send your future spouse, your soulmate, communication from your side. And if you don't know how to do it, I will do it for you. You can book your readings, you can book your psychic readings where we can communicate to the energies directly. We can also give messages from departed souls as well. Wow, such a beautiful thing here. I think this is it for you. You also have somewhat like a protection, I can see. What's happening here? Let's see. Like a protection for you. Perfect timing. Yes, you're getting unexpected communication, spiritual protection kind of energy. I've not seen such protective energies from a long time. That's what I'm seeing for you. Wow. Let's see for people who selected this pink border card, feeling that, yeah, this card or reading is for me. Let's see what is in store for you here. Yes? Why unexpected things are happening to you? What's coming in the next 30 days in your life? Yes, let's see. Wow, what's that? Ask your angels, you've done the right thing coming here. Yes, your current energies show that you are in the right path. Your energy is very much aligned with all the good things that had to happen to you. If you've been thinking, am I in the right path? Am I thinking in the right direction? Am I going in the right way? Yes. The angels have confirmed with a lot of good energies. Your energies are like, your path is like really good. Yes, and what is your lesson here? What is your lesson or hidden challenge here? And what is that unexpected event that's going to happen in your life? Advice and exact timing also I'm going to tell you. The hidden challenge here is waiting game. For you, patience is something angels want you to learn. The lesson here, your soul lesson, even from past life, you've got that lesson. You need to wait, you need to be patient. Nothing is going to come easy. That's something you really have to learn. And not to stop anything. Now, if you give up too quickly, see, that's your drawback here. Two things are your drawback. One, you don't have patience. Second, you just stop immediately. The moment you feel, okay, this is not working, you give up too quickly. So moderation is the key. Either you will wait too long and you get frustrated, or you give up too quickly. There is no in between. So moderation is the key, and that's the lesson you have to learn. And that's your hidden challenge, which is now out in the open for you to work on it. Now, unexpected events are also going to happen in your life. Let's see what are those unexpected events for the next 30 days. What's coming your way? Listen to your intuition. You're very intuitive. So soul lessons, soul guidance, past life, you've taken that oath that you will help people. You are a healer. You are someone who's a reader. You will gain a lot of spiritual knowledge, spiritual growth, transformation. Everything's going to happen. Now, it's up to you. Do you want to take this lesson for good, or don't you want to take this lesson? Look for a sign. You've been guided. You've been the chosen one. In your past life, you told that I want to serve people. I want to do good things to people. I want to help people. So you're a helper. You're a healer. You are kind. And you will receive good things only after you realize who you are. You are someone who's in this area of healing. You have been a healer before. So look for a sign. What does the sign tell? Do I develop intuition properly? Do I do things properly? Am I learning tarot? Am I doing Reiki healing? What should I do? Take action. Till you take action, nothing's going to work out for you. And that's my advice, or cards advice, that you have to take action. You have to do something. Like if you want to learn tarot and build up your intuition, go find a guru. Go enroll yourself in the course. There's an offline session somewhere, online session somewhere, meditation session somewhere, a tribe of your own is there present somewhere. Do it. Okay, that's the advice here. Taking action is the advice here. And the exact timelines also I want to find out. What are the things that you are going to get? Are you doing some sadhanas? You will also get protection and success in those sadhanas, I can see. Protection, business. If you've been trying to do something different than before, you will get it. And from the universe or God or from divine energy, there is an unexpected communication. Either flower will fall, or some guru will come and communicate something, or you will click on some reading like this, which will more confirm your belief more, tell you more that you are on the right path. All the negative things have ended now, okay? No one's doing anything negative to you. Everything's going. You're manifesting a great life for yourself. You have been receiving messages from universe that this is the best life you can ever have for yourself. And it is coming towards you. Just that you need to be patient, one, and you need to know how much to wait for what, and you need to also not give up too quickly. Like within 3 months, if you don't see results, wait for another 6 months. Wait, because your timelines are there. Your guidance is coming, and you will also guide people. You have like some sort of protection around you for yourself. Communicate clearly what you want. I told you, meditation brings answers. Obviously, meditation was important for you to seek answers. You are a seeker. You are a healer. You will have to find answers through meditation only. There's no one specific course or book for you where everything will be given in one platter. You don't know where to start. Universe will guide you. Just be open and receive the energies where universe is definitely trying to reach you out with beautiful energies here, with communication. There's some sort of protection around you. The moment you do meditation, you're going to learn few new meditations to protect around you. So that is a bigger change coming within the next 30 days. For sure, you will have one protection bubble around you. You can seek the protection bubble either through meditation, or a healer can add a protection bubble. So if you don't know how to add a protection bubble, book your pranic healings with us and say, I need protection for myself and my family. 1 week pranic healing will do the job for you. Wow. So that was your guidance, and this is the biggest spiritual growth you will see. Pile 1 and pile 2. I hope both of you are very happy. Hari Om.